We've recently gained a lot of new customers for our self-tan mousse, so I thought I'd do a new full tan tutorial to give you the best tips. So first of all, I always start by exfoliating the night before with the Lucy Exfoliating Mitt. Then I go in and shave. The day of tanning, I do moisturiser on dry areas, so knees, elbows, feet, hands, but only use a small amount because it does work as a barrier. I'm then using the Lucy Velvet Mitt, and what I do is do an upwards motion all over the body part I'm working on and then go circular motion over that to really buff it in. The Lucy Tan Mousse develops in 2 hours for a medium and 6 to 8 hours for a dark. It's quick dry, non-sticky, it's really hydrating, and it's dermatologically approved for sensitive skin as well, giving you really natural looking results. And this application and how I show you to do it today is how you're going to get those real looking tans where people just think you've been away on holiday. Obviously use it all over the body and really work it into all areas. Take your time with this as well. This does have a colour guide, so that's what you wash off after 2 hours or 8 hours depending on what you want. So with the knees, I always do those after, so do the full leg, and then what's left on the mitt you're going to use over the knees, and this will avoid any of that build up that you get because knees naturally hold tan much more, so that's when you get that build up. And that's the same with the hands, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and the feet. Always use leftover tan on the mitt in those areas. So with the face, you've got two options. You've got the Lucy Tan drops, which you add to your moisturiser, and it's very much you're in control of the tan. A couple of drops will give you a glow. The more drops, the deeper the tan. Or you can use the Lucy Tan Mousse, which can also be used on the face, like I'm showing you here. And I'm using our brush for this, which really blends in. Make sure you go up to the hairline and all over the face as well. And then with the hands, what you want to do, like I said, start on the forearm and then blend it into the hands. Never apply fresh tan mousse onto your hands. This is when you give your tan game away. Less is more with this area, so just blend it down and work it in. Make sure you're getting into all the little areas on the hands and giving a really even finish. And the same with the feet, so just start a little bit higher up and really blend it into the foot. And honestly, if you do this every time, you'll get really natural results. And for your back, for those that need to tan their own backs, this is what you need to do. Get a wooden spoon, hairband, and then put the mitt on, and here you go, here's your full tan.